Good day, everyone. Welcome to Sound of Japanese of SANUK-ENGLISH TV. So many foreigners in Kagawa told us that the most difficult experience in Kagawa, Japan was the language. I hope this spin-off short segment will help you. Many people think that learning Japanese is difficult, but is it really so? Japanese language is known as one of the least sound used language. We only use 104 sounds to speak Japanese. What would if we could learn from that sound? Sound of Japanese Drill Level 1 Hiragana Part 1 Repeat after me. A, I, U, E, O, Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko, Sa, Si, Su, Se, So, Ta, Chi, Tsu, Te, To, Na, Ni, Nu, Ne, No, Ha, Hi, Hu, He, Ho, Ma, Mi, Mu, Me, Mo, Ya, Yu, Yo, La, Li, Lu, Le, Lo, Wa, O, Now you go guys first. A, I, U, E, O, Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko, Sa, Si, Su, Se, So, Ta, Chi, Tsu, Te, To, Na, Ni, Nu, Ne, No, Ha, Hi, Hu, He, Ho, Ma, Mi, Mu, Me, Mo, Ya, Yu, Yo, La, Li, Lu, Le, Lo, Wa, O, Very good. This type of letter is called hiragana. Today, we went through basic 46 sounds. We have 58 sounds to go. But do not worry, all other 58 sounds are based on the basic 46 sounds we did today. You do not need to be able to write to speak Japanese, but it sure comes in handy to be able to read. Thank you for watching this video. If you like what we do, please check out our Ustream show on Thursdays from 10 p.m. in Japanese Standard Time. Our channel is SANUK-ENGLISH. The spell is SANUK-ENGLISH, all in small letters. See you there!